it's America from America's Abstracts, bringing you a fresh new video. It is October, so it is spooky time for everybody, and I decided I wanted to do a Halloween palette. I did one a couple months back, but I didn't add my favorite color in there, which is bright green. So, fun little fact I learned from Garrick Brown at Garrick Brown Studios on his YouTube vid is he let me know that Artist Loft makes this lovely iridescent medium. There we go, that's about as close as I can get it. Alright, iridescent medium. So what that does is it can pretty much make any paint you have a metallic paint, which is awesome. So what I did is I added that iridescent medium to my permanent green light, to my Mars black, and to my cadmium orange hue to make it really nice and like shimmery, nice metallic. I now finally have black metallic because this can do any color. It's pretty awesome, and it doesn't really take too terribly much, just a couple little squirts per color. So without further ado, I guess I will go over kind of more colors used. So I used, like I said, the iridescent medium. I put into my Liquitex Mars black. I put it into my permanent green light. I put it into my cadmium orange hue, and then I also did my lovely top peacock layer of my Dioxaxine purple from Golden Fluids. And then after that, of course, to top it off, I just used my white cell activator. Without further ado, I guess let's get to painting.